Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Creating an AS_N.1 parser in C or Python can be a complex task, but I'll provide you with a high-level overview of how to get started and a simple code example in both C and Python to give you a basic understanding of the process. AS_N.1, Abstract Syntax Notation 1, is a standard interface description language used for defining data structures that can be serialized and deserialized in a cross-platform way. It's often used in networking protocols, security certificates, like X.509, and other applications where data interchange between different systems is crucial. AS_N.1 data is structured as a series of types, each with a unique tag and a length field. The basic structure of an AS_N.1 object looks like this. Here's a simplified example of an AS_N.1 parser in C. This C code provides a basic AS_N.1 parser that can parse some simple AS_N.1 structures. Here's a simplified example of an AS_N.1 parser in Python using the parser.parse library. In this Python example, we use the parser.parse library to decode an AS_N.1 integer object. This library simplifies the process of parsing AS_N.1 data in Python. Please note that parsing more complex AS_N.1 structures or implementing custom types may require additional code and handling. AS_N.1 encoding can vary in complexity depending on the specific application and data being used. ChatGPT